What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm bringing you guys this easy, cute star bralette. It looks really complicated, but I promise it's not complicated. But yeah, so if you guys like to see our video on how to make these cute little star bralettes, be sure to keep on watching. But before we get to this video, make sure you subscribe. Down below, pressing the subscribe button, tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say is routine. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'm almost at 40K, like a couple hundred more away, which is pretty dope because I never like imagined getting this big on YouTube. But thank you guys so much. It couldn't have been done without you guys. Also make sure you check out my Patreon. I'll put that down below in my description box if you guys are interested in financially supporting me. Yeah, there's really not too much to say in this video. It's a pretty quick video, so if you have any questions, as always, just message me on my Instagram at @isnaomi. But I guess that'll be all, so let's just get started.
Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got Crochet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
Alright, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this star bralette. So I have one star done, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it on camera. Basically, this consists of single crochet and working circles in the round. So let's get started. Today you are going to need a size 3.5 hook, which is also known as the E-hook, and a pair of scissors. And then you're also going to need your yarn of choice. I'm doubling my yarn strands because mine is too thin. So just get like a size 4 yarn, you should be fine. So I'm gonna start off by making a magic circle. So if you don't know how to make a magic circle, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I put the yarn over 3 fingers and I put my pinky on top, and then you're gonna wrap the yarn around the back, and when you wrap it around the top, you're gonna crisscross it like an X. Next, you're gonna just slide your hook in, under, then over, twist your hook downward, and you're gonna pull the outside yarn. And you're just gonna pull up, which leaves you with a circle like this. So now you're gonna make a chain of 3, and you're going to insert a total of 11 double crochets into the magic circle for a total of 12 double crochets. I also forgot to mention the size that I'm making could go for an A, B, or C cup, because I'm a C cup, so you know, with assumption it'll fit anything smaller than that. So once you add all of your stitches in, you can pull the circle string to make it close up more. And now that you have all of your stitches, you're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain in the very beginning, and it's basically just your chain of 3. So to begin your 2nd row, you're going to chain up 3, and you're going to insert 2 double crochets in each stitch around, and you should have a total of 24 when you end. When you end, you should have a total of 24 stitches. You're just going to slip stitch to the chain up 3 that you had made in the beginning of the work. Sorry. Now you're going to chain up 3 and you're going to repeat row 2, which is inserting 2 double crochets in each space around. Now the thing to adjust this to other sizes is going to be how big you start your circle. So obviously if you want more coverage, you would just simply add more rows, working around and increasing until you have your desired coverage. So now that I have row 3 done, I'm just going to slip stitch into the beginning like I've been doing before, and watch this quick little PSA for what to do next. Alright, so before we go any further, you guys need to pay attention for this part. So depending on what size you're making, you're going to take the total amount for the last row that you have. For example, I have 48, and you're going to divide it by 5 times. And you're going to divide it by 5 times because obviously you have to make 5 other little pointy things on the star. So once you have that number, that's going to be the number that you're going to work for each star starting. So for myself, it was 9 single crochets, so I'm going to chain up 1 and work 9 single crochets, and this is going to be the beginning to decreasing for your points. So once you have your 9 single crochets, you're going to chain 1, flip your work, skip the very first space and go into the second stitch and insert a single crochet. This is basically going to help our work start decreasing, and then from there you're just going to work a single crochet in each stitch till you reach the very last 2 space. When you're at the very 2 last spaces, you're going to skip the second to last space and insert a single crochet into the very last space. That's basically going to help us decrease and get the point that we want going. So you're just going to repeat this all the way down until you have 2 single crochets left. That you got all of yours completed down to 2 single crochets, you're just going to make an extremely long chain. I guess 100 is normally fine, 100 to 150, and you're just going to make a really long chain at the end of this point. When you finish, you're going to cut and fasten off, and then you're just going to reattach to the next following stitch that's next to either side. It doesn't really matter. Once you reattach, you're going to chain 1, and you're just going to repeat the same exact thing. Insert 9 single crochets in each space, and then you're just going to begin decreasing your work. Make sure you go back and sew in all of your loose ends. You don't want your work looking tacky. And you can really tie this top however you like. The easiest way to tie it would to be tying the middle first, and then everything else you just have fun with it. If you need any more pointers, message me on my Instagram at @isnaomimarie, or you can just simply look at my picture on Instagram on how I tied my top. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a like and comment. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel. Helps the channel grow, you know what I'm saying? We on the big things. I want to get to 100K, so let's do it. Don't forget to also comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see a video on, possibly next. I'm always reading my comments. As always, thank you guys for your love and support. Peace out.
I know I gotta see you again.